Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important tests to be conducted this year. The test is TCS NQT, TCS National Qualified Test. As the website says, this is your gateway to thousands of top jobs. The test date is 10th April 2022 for the second quarter, the quarter from April 2022 to July. So let's go and see the details about this test. You can, as per the website, you can see you can give many variants: NQT, industry NQT, subject NQT, NQT bundle pack, where you get a discounted price for the packages. Before we go in detail about all the tests, let's understand how important TCS NQT is. As per website, more than 700 corporates recognize TCS NQT scores other than TCS and Tata Group companies. And you have more than 75,000 job opportunities. Now, as we discuss more details about TCS NQT, please note on the right hand side on the screen, we have the resource platform which will help you prepare for TCS NQT. The platform is the Learnzilla app. It has videos, tests, notes, and most importantly, it has mock tests. TCS NQT mock test made from previous year's papers. Now you can see the LearnZilla app covers the complete syllabus for cognitive skills test, psychometric test, and programming and coding through technical MCQ or programming logic and programming videos. Not only that, we also provide mock test, either subject wise, like quantitative aptitude or numerical ability, reasoning and data interpretation, verbal ability, but company wise mock test. As I scroll down, I can show you we have TCS NQT 2022 cognitive skills mock test. This mock test you can take unlimited times, and every time you take the test, the question changes. So I'll be going in detail about this mock test in a few minutes. So now let me stress, those preparing for TCS NQT cognitive skills test, the LearnZilla app provides a comprehensive syllabus with tests, videos and notes. So let's click on some topics and see how we cover the complete cognitive skill course. So you can see quantitative aptitude or numerical ability, we have 229 videos, and the videos are instructed by subject experts from IIT, IIM, NIT, all alumni of this prestigious institutes. And we have 101 test sets. So we have covered subjects like numbers, elementary maths, geometry mensuration, algebra, commercial maths, time, speed and distance, time, work and wages, and clocks and calendar. Even if we open the subjects, we have covered subtopics for HCF LCM, number systems, number series, progressions, set theory, averages, mixtures. We go to elementary maths, we have fraction decimals, logarithm, ratio and proportions. Geometry, we have geometry, 2D mensuration, trigonometry, algebra, we have quadratic equation, linear equations. Commercial maths, we have profit and loss, discount, partnership and shares. So you can see we have covered the complete topic comprehensively. So this is only quantitative aptitude. So let me open one of the topics and show you how the videos and tests and notes work. See, we start from quantitative aptitude or numerical ability. We'll go to reasoning ability and verbal ability. But let me open one of the topics and show you how we cover with videos, tests and notes. Let me open algebra and quadratic equations. So here we have videos. For example, quadratic equations, we have 9 videos. Let us play one of the videos.
The first example of expression, the power of
You can
x,
see in the video, we
power
solve
of
it on the
x
screen. So this video
power
screen can
is
be
equal
in
to
landscape mode, so you
just
can understand what
1.
the instructor is saying.
So this is a
So
linear
let's pause the
equation.
video.
Whereas in the second,
Let's see the
the power
notes. So we not only have the videos, We have notes with formulas for the topic, for the subject. Now let us go and take one of the tests. Let's start with test 1. So you can see we have 5 questions for 5 marks. So once we start the tests, so let me quickly answer this test. I think this is the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer. In real world, it will take you a long time. For TCS NQT, they give nearly 1.5 minutes per question to answer. Here, just for demo purposes, I am just going quick about what I think is the right answer. So we have 5 questions here. Once you press submit, see here I got all 5 correct. But this is the most important part. It took me 15 seconds. In TCS NQT, you get 1.5 minutes to answer question. If while you're giving this test and it took you more than 2 minutes to do, then you're weak on the subject. So this bar is important when you take the test. It will give you complete time analysis and answers. So not only that, when you click on solutions, it will give you detailed explanation of the solution here. Not only solution and detailed solved solutions. So you can see here not on the answers but the solved solutions is provided. Now let us go to the next topic in cognitive skills test, which is verbal ability. So once I click on verbal ability, you can see we have grammar, sentence correction, verbal reasoning, sentence completion, para completion, para jumbles, para summary, the complete course. Now we go on to the next section, which is not present in many apps. We have taken special care in making this psychometric personality tests. We know now that most TCS group company, Tata group company and other companies would like attitudinal alignment NQT scores. So on the LearnZilla app, we have developed a psychometric personality test which is based on the same attitudinal alignment NQT. So we have covered topics like decision making, communicating with others, planning, managing people and resources, self-motivation, ideal role at work, attitude towards risk-taking. This is based on Pick 5 model and motivation need theory as suggested by TCS. So we have 26 tests. Now we go on to the next syllabus. For students who want to pursue programming or developer job, they have to give TCS NQT IT career pack, which includes cognitive skills test, psychometric test, and programming skills test. So on the LearnZilla app, you can see we have technical MCQ or programming basics, which covers C programming, basics, operators, arrays, coded flow, functions, pointers, structures, code input output, data structure algorithms, C++. So we have complete course with 170 tests. So if you open one of the tests, you can see you can take the tests and know your strengths and weaknesses. And we have also notes on the subject. Going back, then we have complete programming videos of C and Java. So here you can see 234 videos and 37 hours of content. So they will ask you TCS NQT to code in either C, Java, Python. You can choose one of the languages and you can practice right on your app, on your mobile phone, on the LearnZilla app. So right now we have mock tests. Mock test section, either you go subject wise, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, programming MCQ, or go company wise. We have multiple company wise mock tests. So we scroll down to TCS NQT 2022 cognitive skills test. So we have unlimited mock test on the app. Once you press the start button, the test starts. So here you can see the timer for this section, reasoning ability, starts. But in TCS NQT, they'll give you 1.5 minutes per question. So you can see the reasoning ability. The question starts, each question the timer, you get 1.5 minutes in real world test situations. So let me attempt not all, but some of the tests. Let's attempt reasoning ability. So once I finish reasoning, we go to numerical ability. Once you press submit, it goes to the next section. So let me choose some random answers and we'll see in the end the analysis, because we give not only solution, we give the time analysis. It will help you improve practice on this section. So I've just attempted 9 questions. Press submit and I go to next section, 30 minutes for verbal ability. So I'll just attempt random questions and see in the end what is important is not the speed but how much time you have taken each question. TCS NQT gives 1.5 minutes per question for you to attempt. Once you are confident about this, you press submit. It just shows 18 answers, 62 unanswered. Just for sample, I have taken this mock test, and here is the complete analysis. Total correct 6, incorrect 12, unattempt 62. So we have section wise analysis. What was your scores? So this will help you improve your scores later on. So now we not only give you the scores and section wise, we give you detailed solutions. So in detailed solution we mark here. Let me go to numerical ability. See here we solve the question for you. So this answer was wrong. Here we solve it for you, so you know detailed where you got wrong, what is the formula, how do you attempt it next time. So again same thing with your verbal ability. So you can see we give the detailed solutions for each section. So that covers mock test. If you go back, you can take the next test. This way you can take the test unlimited time, and each time the question changes. So all the best for preparing for TCS NQT, and hope you download the LearnZilla app, which will help you clear the test if you're short on time.